Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass Gotranscript MCQs test as well as audio test. Before starting video, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel. So first step is you must read Gotranscription guideline rule to pass the Gotranscript test. This transcription guideline is very important. You must read all these transcription guidelines all the way to the end 1 to 2 times. This will help you during the audio test and MCQ test exam. Because audio test is very important, you must apply all these co-transcription rule into audio test before submitting it. So let's move to the first MCQ test. And first question is, how should you do if you cannot identify who exactly is speaking? So we simply check in transcription guideline rule using Ctrl plus F, and you see if you cannot identify who exactly is speaking, add a question mark before the speaker label. For example, question mark speaker 2 and question mark interview 3, etc. So this is the rule if you cannot identify speaker. So this question answer is first one, use speaker labels but with the question mark before. For example, question mark speaker 1, question mark speaker 2, etc. And second question is, how to note a significant pause in a speech. There is 4 different options, and we simply check in transcription guideline related to pause tag. Simply we paste here and we see silence is used to demonstrate short pause in a speech not less than 4 seconds but not longer than 10 seconds. This pause tag in bold and timestamp is used to demonstrate a pause significant in a speech. So this is the correct tag of pause. So according to the transcription guideline, the second option, a pause is significant only if it is no shorter than 10 seconds. It is marked as pause with the correct timestamp. So this is the correct option of second question. And third question is, what is the rule about slang word in clean var BTM? There is 4 different options. So we simply check in transcription guideline rule related to slang word in clean var BTM. And here is, slang word must be written as got you instead of gotcha, going to instead of gonna, went to instead of wanna, etc. So this is the rule slang word in clean var BTM section. So that's why third question answer is C option. Example of slang word are gonna, wanna, it is going to, respectively, going to, went to, kind of. So this C option is correct. Fourth question, how should you transcribe spoken contraction in clean var BTM? So we simply check spoken contraction in clean var BTM and get the answer. So here is never change spoken contraction. For example, these words, and here is, if there is a speaker say it's, it should be kept as it's regardless of the var BTM. So never change spoken contraction is the correct option. So B option is correct. Fourth question. Fifth question is, which of the following slang word or spoken contraction should be transcribed in clean var BTM file the way it is said? So I already see the previous question. Spoken contraction never change. It's transcribed as it's speak. Never change. If speaker say it's, it should be kept its regardless of the var BTM. So that's why spoken contraction is the correct option. Sixth question. What is the correct form of addressing internal dialogues? So we simply check addressing internal. In transcription guideline, so here is internal dialogue are seen as direct quotation as well example, and then I thought myself, and what if I cannot make it. Notice how the question mark is inside the quotation. So that's why according to the transcription guideline, first option is false because it's used colon instead of comma. Second option is false because it starts with small letter. And C option, then I told myself, comma and quotation mark and this question mark inside the quotation. So that's why this option is correct. Last option is false because the question mark is outside the quotation mark. So that's why C option is correct option of sixth question. Seventh question. Why should you always transcribe files on your own? So because Gotranscription is 100% human generated transcription service, and using AI is a breach of Gotranscription advertisement. So that's why this B option is correct option of seventh question. Eighth question. Sound made by the person speaking. Simply check in transcription guideline. Person speaking. Sound not by the sound that the speaker makes, always on the same line and always in the present tense. So according to the transcription guidelines, on the same line and in the present tense. First option is correct option of eighth question. And ninth question. If there is a sentence last month I went to Warsaw, the capital of Poland, but the speaker pronounced it this way, how will you transcribe the name of capital? So we transcribe capital according to the correct spelling, and so that's why first option is correct option of ninth question. And tenth and last question. Full verbatim contains. Simply check full verbatim in transcription guideline, and here is full verbatim section, and full verbatim section contains speech error, false start, filler word, slang word, starter, repetition, and etc. So that's why full verbatim contains false start, starter, speech error. All three options are correct option of 10th question. After all, you need to click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, you move to the next page of transcript audio test. So please check video description. There is a link for audio test, and I hope this video is very helpful for you, and please like this video, and also do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.